Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to calculate the percentage of earned mark from out of the mark. So let's begin. So I have the table ready in my Excel sheet. So in percentage, press equal sign from the keyboard, then select the A2, press divide symbol from the keyboard, then press B2 from the keyboard, press enter, and here we can see the percentage. Now I'll copy the formula for other rows. So select this field, and when the cursor is plus sign, just drag down and see the formula is placed for other fields as well. Now select all of them and press the percentage. You see, so 80 is the 80% of 100. 70 is just 47% of 150. This is how it works. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.